Hey everybody, this is Tin Can 77 and I am a new member of the YouTube pipe community. So I am super excited to have gotten a package today from Italy for a very unusual pipe. Thought I'd just open this up, give you guys an unboxing preview. I have not opened this container yet, so let's take a look at what is inside. One of these pipes, I got turned on to these pipes by Muttnchop Piper. We put out a video several years ago now. Looks like this is not going to open. And Muttnchop Piper, oh crap, Milwaukee tool. There it is. Muttnchop Piper, we read this very, very favorably. The previous version of this, that's all that's in there. This is by JobPipe. Now, JobPipe's an Italian maker. His difference, though, is that very nice. It says, thanks, good smokes, JobPipe. He is Italian, and he makes a different kind of pipe. A titanium pipe. Titanium tobacco pipe, made in Italy. Now, I'm just going to show you guys what this is. This is a particular version that I am interested in. It only came out Monday of November 2024, and it is Thursday of that week. So I ordered it online on day one. It made it all the way here to where I am in the United States within just a few days. So right here today on Thursday. So the shipping was about 20 euros, and the total cost for this, or the cost without shipping, let's double check here, was 164 euros. So with no VAT, because we're in the United States, and 20 euros to send it here. So it's great. So nice. This is like a vinyl faux leather case. I've not looked at this yet. I'm going to show it to you. This is an extremely light. Okay, there's the core. Light product. There it is. Okay, so how does this work? Well, unlike a briar pipe, this one's made out of titanium. It's machined out of titanium. Comes with extra O-rings. Oh wow! Oof. This is a very nice, smooth finish on this. There's the bottom. It says JobPipe, the Titan Bastard. So, not the best names when you're selling in English, but that I can get over, because he is a very innovative pipe maker. This is, I think, his third or fourth design. As I've been tracking him over the last year, he has released design after design after design. He is definitely focused on innovation. I'll do a full review later, but this slides out. It's fairly tight. Oh, there it popped out. There it is. Beautiful, light, beautifully machined titanium. This is really nice. And you can see there is a smoke hole and a little kind of micro chamber that goes all the way around. And then two nice O-rings. These are cooling fins along the side. Nice chamber. It is conical at the base. There's not a flat base inside, flat base outside, and that is etched in, nicely etched in. So you can definitely feel that. And not quite sure what that's for, other than orienting towards the smoke hole. I'm sure there's a reason for that. And you can see inside there. Let's show you inside. Sorry if I haven't been paying enough attention. There it is. Those notches, flat bottom there. Good. So I'm going to be doing obviously a lot of smoking with this, and my rationale for buying it. But for now, I just wanted to show you what this looks like. Slides right in, clicks in, flush at the top. So this is the Gruppo 2, Group 2. Group 2 is a medium sized. It is not, you'll notice this is more of a, I'd say more akin to like a billiard pipe, which I like quite a bit. This is a not the newest stem that comes with the rest of these, which is similarly, I think this is aluminum. Just an aluminum straw with a mouthpiece on it. This is a nicely machined filter holder. So this holds a 9mm filter. And it's threaded there. It's a nice mouthpiece. Let's press that in. Nice tight fit. Wow, this is very well machined. Screws in very, very smoothly. And an exceptionally light pipe. It's about 6 inches, a little bit less. Very, very light. Easily clenchable. So I'd say this is about the size of a traditional billiard pipe that I own. And they have many different stems. They have curved stems. They have a whole variety of stems and different color mouthpieces, but this is a particularly beautiful pipe. So I'm very much looking forward to smoking this once I clean it up. I'm going to explain the virtues and whether there's actually some payoff to this in other videos if you guys are interested. But by all means, let me know.